This is gross, okay? This is gross. I'm gonna teach y'all all my secrets. All my secrets. I really hope I can be seen right now. If not, well, it sucks. But we're back. It's the next day of when I last shot the other one. I'm in the same shirt. Judge me. Don't care. Today I'm getting my hair together, actually. Maybe, just maybe I should have said, welcome back to my channel, everybody. Yeah, we're working on it. Ironically enough, I was like, oh, I don't want this channel to be about hair, but we're about to get my hair together. I'm like hoping my dog doesn't come run and knock this over right now, this like setup that I have going on. I'm starting off with deep conditioned hair right now. It's just in this low bun situation, so I'm gonna go rinse out the deep conditioner. I couldn't even tell you which one it is. I think it's the Carol's Daughter one. I just, whenever I do like a protective style, like if I straighten my hair, get braids or anything like that, I always want to deep condition it. So it's like, because it's not going to be touched for a while. You know, I'm going to like dry shampoo and oil my scalp and things like that, but it's not going to be like conditioned. So I'm starting off with deep conditioner. I'm going to go rinse that out in the shower. Then we're going to come back and we're going to blow dry this before the stylist comes. And she's bomb, y'all. I love her. I'm so excited. This is a very spur of the moment thing. I actually did this last year. When I got braids, I kind of got my crap together a little bit and then it fell off, obviously. But this is like step one to looking good and, you know, doing my hair. So we're gonna see. Okay, I hope you can hear me. I'm in my bathroom, but it's an automatic like air blower up here. Okay, I need to get this going. So I just hopped out the shower. I don't look good when I do my hair. I know, like, I've been seeing YouTubers with like full makeup, and I'm like, how? I wish I did, but I don't. So I topped out the shower. I rinsed the deep conditioner out. I threw this t-shirt on my head because it's about to get dry anyway, so I don't need it to be soaking wet like I normally would. I'm using literally any dryer that I have. Towel brush. And yeah, let's just get started. So my hair is obviously wet. Take it down. I have a very small bathroom, so it's easy for me to just turn this. So like I said, I just rinsed. My hair is damp. It's not soaked. The towel, the t-shirt soaked up most of it. And this is the hard part about the day. I have a lot of hair, so I just section it off. So I'm sectioning it off in 4 different sections. I'm gonna just start with this bottom section right here and put the rest up. Cute, right? So cute. So normally I use Shea, the Silk Infusion oil, but I actually don't have any, and I think I just lost it when I switched apartments a few months ago. But normally any oil will do. I didn't put any leave-in conditioning or anything like that this time around, just because I don't want anything to build up while the braids are in my hair. So I'm actually just gonna use a little bit of the spray. It's the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Gloss and Shine Mist. This can act as a heat protectant. So I'm actually just going to use a little bit of this. I love how I said a little bit and then I used a lot. And then I'm actually going to use this. I'm actually not going to use that much of. But my homegirl Kiana, shout out to you, girl. She is creating her own brand and her own line of products, which I love, and it's called Secrets of the Ancestors. And she created this body butter, and it Smells so good. I don't know how to describe what this one smells like, but she has different things. I will tag her and link her and all that stuff. But it's body butter, but you can use it in your hair. So I'm just actually gonna take a little bit of this in my hair just to get it nice and soft. Like literally that much per section. I use it on my body. It's bomb. I actually used it with a deep conditioner too the other day. It was really, really good. So I'm sure this will do the trick as well. I'm just gonna smooth that all out. Y2 comb. Right here, I'm just detangling my hair from bottom to top, and you just want to make sure it's completely detangled before you start blow drying. Quick note, I am shedding a lot right now. It's getting cold outside, so my hair gets extremely dry. And I know I'm gonna shed a lot more once these braids come out, which is, it's fine, it's totally fine. My hair is so dry, I'm actually gonna take a little bit more of that butter and just melt it all in. And I'm gonna do this for all 4 sections of my hair, so I'm probably not gonna show the whole thing, but for each section, I basically do the tension method, and I think I learned this so long ago, like high school. And I think I learned it from Mahogany Curls, the OG YouTuber, like her, Mom Knows Hair, all of them. So Mahogany Curls definitely taught me this trick here. And basically, you're gonna take your blow dryer. I actually do a really hot setting, just because my hair takes way too long to dry. Take your blow dryer, and you kind of just hold your hair out, and you kind of just fan it out. Just fan the air over your hair, bars, and dry it. And then I take the paddle brush and just do a little bit more. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's not getting straightened. It's getting braided. It just means I'm just stretching my hair out, basically. So that's the method. By doing this method, the tension method, you're basically reducing the amount of heat that you're actually applying to your hair, so it prevents damage. That's the main reason why I like to use this method. It is a lot more slow, but it still works. As I'm doing this, I kind of like keep combing it out because my hair will get really detangled really fast. But once you incorporate the paddle brush is when it stays, you know, stays good. Like, it may look like my hair is drying, but it's not. It's really not. And now I'm going to take the paddle brush. So I'm actually going to just use the brush first so it doesn't get too tangled. Method that I use to blow dry my hair. I obviously have a lot more to go, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this part. But like I said, I'm just spraying the Cream of Nature spray on my hair, a little bit of the body butter, and then tension method, and then yeah, that's it. Okay, one side down, which actually didn't take me more than 10 minutes, which is crazy because I don't think that ever happens. So I don't know if it's the combo of products I'm using or if your girl just got good over the years. One side blow dried, one side curly. Drastic stretch difference. So yeah, I'm just gonna split this one in two, do the same thing, and we're gonna go from there. And we are done. That actually took me like 30 minutes. And I feel pretty good about that. Like, that's a miracle. This is my hair all blown out. It's lots and lots of hair. It's definitely grown. This is growth, okay? This is growth. I'm gonna teach y'all all my secrets. All my secrets. I don't have any, but I'm gonna pretend like I do. Like every other person, you know? But yeah, this is it. So now it's blown out, it's moisturized. Honestly, I'm gonna give credit where credit's due. My hair is super soft right now. And normally when I'm blow drying it with like not too many products, it's not. But that body butter slash hair butter slash all purpose butter from Key did the trick. Like I'm moisturized, I'm good. Like, you did that. She did that. And if you don't have it, go get it. She ain't paying me. She's not paying, ain't no one paying me to do this. Okay? It's just good. But no, now that we're all set, we're moisturized, we're blown out, I'm just waiting for the stylist, whose name also is Key, to get here. I'm getting medium knotless braids. That's what she likes to call them, so that's what we're gonna call them. And yeah, I'm gonna record a little bit of her braiding my hair and then show you guys the final results. Y'all, it's 4:30 in the morning now. We started at 6 p.m. It's 4:30 a.m. Your girl's tired. So tomorrow I'll wake up and like actually talk about the hair and things like that. But for right now, I'm tired. She like hooked me up with this cute half up, half down look. She laid my edges, and I'm gonna go to bed and hope that it doesn't wake me up at, 6 a.m. Bye. Hey guys, so we're done. We're back. We're done. We're done. We're just done. And I'm so happy because it took forever. We started at 6 p.m. and ended at about 4:30 in the morning. No joke, no lie. That is how long it took to do this. I think we both underestimated how much hair I actually have. But it was worth it. They look really good. I'm happy with them. I'm going to challenge myself to keep them in for at least a month. It is November 9th. November 9th. So let's see what happens. I think we can do it. I think we got this. We used about 6-ish packs of the Spectra brand of hair, color 2. My hair, I did dye my hair a light brown, so it's kind of mixed in with like the darkish color, which I like. It's cute. It's simple, nothing over the top. Kiana, you did an amazing job. Thank you so much. If you're in Philly, please hit her up. Her hair page is _mk.hairco. HAIRCO. She's bomb. She usually comes to you. You just have to provide the hair. It's not crazy expensive, even though I think she undercharges. I definitely wanted to, you know, show her love because I know how like tired you must have been last night. Yeah, I love them. Turns out great. You guys saw what I started with. I started with the deep condition and bond. Then I rinsed it out. I added the body butter that other Kiana provided me, which I also love. Blew out my hair, and then like 10 hours later we have this. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you the final results. I love it. Took forever, but it was so worth it. They are knotless braids, which means they're easier to manage. They're a lot less heavy than the box braids that we did before. So we had them in a high ponytail last night. Maybe I'll come back and try to style them, although that's not really my forte. Like, she did a high ponytail in like 2 seconds, and I was like, that would have taken me forever. But like I said, I love them. You saw the whole process. You saw some of it with the braids. It was kind of hard because my dog was out and it was a lot happening. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is so crazy that I'm actually recording something for once. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I think that's what all the cool kids say. And subscribe. In my first rant, I came up with this cute little tagline that I personally like because it's like a mantra for me right now. And we're just trying to look good, feel good, be good. So yeah, that's it. Bye. Anyway, we used about 6 packs of the Spectra